terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity.
What I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
One of the inefficiency of linguistic models is lexical.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Linguistic Detection, 1949. And the thing I like to go, cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep on his back.
It's chilly.
Chili. Dog. I call him Chili Dog.